Hey my beautiful beauty queens, I'm going to be showing you guys how to laminate your eyebrows to look like this. This is the before and this is the after. If you'd like your eyebrows to look a little bit fuller and you want to do something yourself, then stay tuned for this tutorial. Okay, this is just a nose patch. You know, it's a thing that you take off when you have black heads and white heads. So I like to use this because my nose gets so clogged, it's like gross. Anyways, you put this on, okay, because this is a perm for your eyebrows and I don't want it anywhere near my hair at all. So here are my eyebrows normally. I just really like them to go up and just be a little bit more fluffy looking. I started growing my eyebrows out a little bit thicker because they used to be like smaller, but I started to just grow them out and just not pluck as much as I usually do. So I really like the shape, but I like it even more when it looks fuller and everything is going up. So that's why I do this. All right, so here's the stuff in the kit. If you can see it, I just put my own numbers on it, 1 2 3 4, whatever, 1 2 3 4, whichever it is, because I don't want to like remember the steps, because it does come with the instruction kit, of course, but just memorize it. For step number 1 is the eyebrow glue, and I've been doing this for a couple months now. I probably do it once a month. That's all you need. Lasts about 6 weeks, but I just do it every four weeks because it doesn't last me that long. So first you do the eyebrow glue and you take this little number right here, which is like a comb for your lashes, and you just comb it up. It literally dries really fast. So I'm gonna do one eyebrow at a time, one piece at a time. So I'm gonna start in the front, put it on there. I put on quite a bit. So I'm gonna do it in 3s. So you see I just did the first part, comb upwards. And this comb is really harsh, so don't like scrape your skin, because for some reason I keep scraping my skin every time I use this. It's like sharp. So just brush it all the way up. See, it's stuck already. It's already dry. I can't even pull that up anymore. Ooh, and it hurts. Like when it dries and you're trying to comb it, it's like super glue. Like it hurts. So you need to do it like quick. Okay, see, I got the first part down. Really hard part for me, I don't know why, but this part of my eyebrow just wants to go down. I think it's like an Asian thing, but this part of my eyebrow don't want to go up, so I have to put kind of a lot right here. So I'm doing the second third now, and we go up. Okay, we've done the second third. Now for the last part. The last part is pretty easy. If you feel like your eyebrow hairs are too long like this, when they're pushed up like this, remember you can just cut it afterwards. This makes it a lot easier to cut your eyebrow hairs and see exactly what's going on after you perm it. So there we go, we're done with the first eyebrow. Let me go on to the second one. Okay, so now you have your eyebrows all the way up. Now we want to use step 2, which is the eyebrow lift lotion. I bought this. This is actually from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below, but it's just like something to put on your eyebrows. Now we leave this on for 20 minutes. I left it on for 25 minutes because I started making a chicken pot pie and like an apple log. Hold on, I made some food. You have to wait. So anyways, it's supposed to be on for 20 minutes. I did 25 minutes. Let me hurry up and take it off. My eyebrows fall off. And I'm just using, oh shoot. You can see my eyebrows are super straight now. Step 3, which is the eyebrow fixation lotion. I get really clogged pores up in here, and it like looks bumpy and it looks horrible with makeup. I don't even wear foundation anymore, but if I did, it would like literally look crazy in this area because I have such clogged pores. So I'm definitely gonna do a video of how I give myself my own facial, because like, look at my nose. It's usually really bumpy and horrible, and right here too gets really clogged. So I'm gonna do a video on that. This is the Eyebrow Lift Nutrition Nourishment. It's very watery, but you'll see what it does to the eyebrows now. So whenever you use like eyebrow glue now, like the gel or the glue or whatever, it'll stay nice just like this. Okay, so you see the difference between the two brows? This one looks fuller and thicker, and the brows just are more manageable. They look better when they are nice and permed and straight like this. So I just like to do it. There's different ways that you can kind of comb your brows. You can do it straight up like this and then go and fill in any gaps that are needed to fill in. Or you could do it all the way up like this and then run your brush at the top of it so that it creates an actual form like that. You see what that does? It just creates an actual look and not just like a crazy caveman look. If you would like to purchase these products, I'm linking everything in my bio down below, of course. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see how to give yourself your own facial. I am a frugal beauty queen. That's what I do here on my channel. I like to do things, beauty things for the low, pretty much, and DIY. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys later.